So let's talk about the price structure. Although there are benefits to moving from a negotiated prices to fixed prices, there are also disadvantages. One strength of interactive pricing is that it makes it easy for the seller to charge different prices to different buyers. Let's take this for example. When prices are negotiated individually, a customer willing to pay a particularly a high price, so could be charged for 200 pesos for example, for an item without interfering with the seller's ability to charge more typical customers a lower price, for example, a 125 pesos for the same item. The practice of charging different customers different prices for the same item is known as a price segmentation. In order to accomplish a price segmentation with a fixed prices, it is necessary to have a more than one price for a single product. Hmm, how could it be possible? So, for example, a product may have a one price when purchased alone and another price when you purchase it in a large quantity or when purchased along with another items. The product may have one price when purchased during the week and another when you purchase it on a weekend. It may have one price when you purchase in a city or another when you purchase it in a rural area. So these numerous prices for an item are part of the pattern of the seller's prices. In general, the pattern of an organization's prices is known as the price structure. So the price structure of a seller involves more than the array of prices that can be charged for the same item. Most organizations, they sell more than one product and the pattern of prices across these different products in another components of the organization's price structure. So often, the various products are interrelated, such that the prices charged for one item should take into account the price being charged for other items sold by the organization. Then, let's talk about the price format. So, this is the third category of pricing, which is involved on how a price is being expressed. When it is so the price which is being expressed, it is communicated to our potential customers. For example, early fixed prices tended to be round numbers such as 100 pesos, 500 pesos, or 3,000 pesos. However, by 1880s, retail advertisements began to appear showing items priced at a penny or two below the round number. So, are you familiar? The practice of pricing an item just below a round number does not substantially affect the level of the price, but it does affect how that price level is being expressed. The form of expression of a price is known as the price format. Expressing a price in a what we call just below format often has the effect of lowering the price's leftmost digit. This may make the price level appear lower than it actually is and have positive effects on sales. Research on early price advertising has indicated that just below prices were more likely to be used when the advertised item was claimed to be discount or and otherwise a lower price. Research this suggests that the use of the just below price format was, from the start, motivated by managerial institutions about its effect on the perception of our customers. Price format also involves the question of how many numbers are required to express an item's price. For example, a price advertisement could directly show the price of a mushroom and pepperoni pizza, or it could express that price as a base price plus an additional amount for the two toppings. Here in my illustration is an example of a buy one take one for a 159 pesos, or another uh, product with a two family pan pizza for only 419 pesos for two, buy one take one. So this is some of the example of price format in our market. The question is whether a price should be expressed as a single number or as the sum of more than one number is the issue of price partitioning. So that's all for now for our discussion. For our next topic, we're going to discuss the pricing activity. Thank you very much for your time and for listening. Keep safe to everyone.